Hey guys, Magma Mantis here. Today, people have been baffled by how I'm editing. I've been using multiple editing systems. So, this is for Alina and everyone else who wanted this. So, first we're going to start with Filmora Go. Filmora Go is basically made by Wondershare and is Filmora for free. So, you're gonna click on New Project, and you can choose between 3 photos or 3 videos. Okay, once you've added 3 whole pictures, then you're ready to go. So now naturally you can see these. Next, we're gonna add some music. This is just a demonstration, so we're just gonna okay, why? First of all, let's just add some stock music. Just come on. Or just don't add any music. So then you can see that plus button, right? You can see that I can import new photos and videos. There's stickers like subscribe, like, me gusta, which is a dead meme, a bell icon, glitter, you know, many emojis, many cats. Nah, we don't need that. Pressing that X will delete it. So animation, you have this, side, swing, and flip. You also need the pro membership to remove the watermark, but we don't need it. We have text, which you can write your text. Filters, you can change how your pictures look. So you can also trim stuff, like split, split, split. You can see I'm like chopping it. There's speed. You can speed things up or slow things down. You can delete clips. You can rotate things like that, mirror it or flip it. You can return them back to normal, mirror, stuff. Reverse is reversing the entire clip. Fade is fading the music out. So now for the text, we have templates as well. like titles and subtitles. You can write your text, you can customize it as well. You can customize your fonts, you can write whatever you want. You can color your text, the border, and the shadow. You also have animations for the thing as well. You can also align it, change the size, and you can change where it is, like it's in the middle or at the bottom, it's everywhere, I think, or on the bottom, the middle, the top left, top, bottom left, top right, or bottom right. So that's it. Oh no, Pip. So you can add other videos and photos and stuff. You can speed up those videos. You can speed it up or slow it down. Again, you can blend those videos, motion, the effect. Yeah, like that. That's the effect. You can edit stuff. You can copy things over and over again. And you can delete. Adjust. You can adjust the there's the filter, and then you can adjust the brightness, contrast, temperature, vignetting, saturation, and clarity. So let's delete the effects. God, there are so many. Oh, there we go. There's effect like this. Edit. Most of these features are basically in Filmora Pro, and I'm on Filmora Free. Customize the watermark. That's Filmora Pro. The canvas, you can format it 1x1, 4x5, 16x9, TikTok, bleh, or 5.4. You can add blur, you can add color, you can adjust the color, you can album. Yeah, you can add more to the editing. You can undo things. You can watch it for ensure the smoothness of the quality. Yeah. It'll be reduced to low quality when you watch it. So, whenever you're ready, you can export it. And 1080p is at Pro logo roll. Can't turn it off. You can change the frame rate. You can change it low resolution, SD, HD, FHD is Pro. Logo roll, we can't turn that off. And now we're gonna do cinematic standard 24 frames per second. And whenever you're ready with your preferred settings, you can export it. You see, exporting that video with low quality, low settings is, well, it can make the video go faster. You can export the video faster. So, hey, that's a thing. And now we're moving on to the next editor, PowerPoint. No, PowerDirector is what I use. Well, what I used before I installed KineMaster. Let's take a look in PowerDirector first. It's my daily editing system because everything's about just right, just like in the story Goldilocks. I use it to film videos. I use Mobizen to film videos and PowerPoint to edit them. You can see my latest video. I've been editing a whole lot of them. A bean burrito of them, you could say. So you can choose your resolution, but once you're with that, you're off. And it has folders. I'm gonna add Pingle Being. And now I'm gonna add Bean. And that's just all you need. You can add some text as well. There are a lot of text styles to choose from, but a lot of them are on PowerDirector Pro, so we're not going to use that. Like, that's default. Yeah, this is the default. These are the cool effects, most of them for PowerDirector Pro. You can express yourself with expressive titles, and then there's the old classics. You can add videos, photos, now stickers. You can like download stickers and stuff, and overlay. You can overlay your videos, but there's also music. We haven't gone over that. There's also video templates. That's pretty good. You can add like stock videos, and although it's simpler, which is what I like, it's way more easier to do. You can now get sound clips, which is like Shutterstock and stuff. So now we're gonna go to oh no. You can add like your stock music, or you can record it. Like, I'll show you an example. Minion. Wait, nope, it's there. It's the yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. And apparently it didn't so that's it for PowerDirector. We know it, and you can export things. I personally prefer SD because that literally makes it so fast. Yep, look at it go. Look at it go. If you prefer HD, all of these editors that I'm going to be showing you will depend on your phone's performance. My tabs depend on your device's performance. Now we're going to KineMaster, which is what I use for the history of my logo. If you remember that video, that was a pretty short one. And the second image was remade, no lie. That was on the Samsung A5 VI. So let's create a new one. You can set your resolution as always, but at least in powerdirector, after collecting, at least you can do the photo display mode, photo duration, and at least when you're done with those, you can also import another project. But at least when you do those, at least you won't get zooted to the editor, unlike powerdirector. So I'm going to be choosing 4:3, 16:9. We're going to fill it. Gonna set it to 7. We're going to import a project. Don't ask me again. I can import that KineMaster files. So there's nothing because I don't know. So now we've created a new project, and you notice that round wheel and the shutter button. Well, the shutter button is used for capturing stuff like camera or camcorder. Camcorder, you can take pictures and record the video and record the audio. First, we're going to need to add some media, and just one tap, it's there. I can add so much. I can add so much. It's just a cacophony. It's like 5 minutes of Duolingo. That is actually 5 minutes of Duolingo. And for the settings, you can do audio, video, video fade in, video fade out, end of project. 15 seconds, audio master volume. Audio master volume, audio fade in, audio fade out. Now for editing, you can fit the images in the screen, fit your project in the screen, or fill it to remove the black background. Kind of like POW or NTSC, you can choose in the options. Then there's layer, which is like special effect, which is like effects, stickers, text, handwriting, and another image. You can record your voice, you can add audio. And like that's just there. So then there's the shop, the KineMaster Asset Store. And you can, there's the play button. There's whatever this is, like you can preview it, and you can exit. You can undo and redo stuff. You can do capture and save, capture and add as clip, or capture and add as layer. And in order to remove this KineMaster logo, there's KineMaster Premium. Yay! You can also add transitions like in all the other editing systems. I forgot to mention that. So whenever you're ready, click that export button. I'm going for 360p in 12 frames, low, and KineMaster, no. It's gonna take a while. Just don't worry. It won't take up like a minute of your time. Sorry for that awkward pause, but I just realized I'm at 20 minutes. I'm serious. I'm at 20 whole minutes. And we're only halfway in the progress bar. KineMaster is doing great. So I guess we're gonna wait a few more minutes or seconds. Who knows? But the bitrate is 0.35 millibits per second. We're almost there. I know it. I can feel it at the end of my and at the tip of my nose. And we're done. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Magma Mantis. And I'm also having a second job. You see Anchor right here. Well, Anchor is going to be my podcast app where I'm going to send my podcast, the Dudcast, to every single podcast app, including Spotify, Google Podcasts, just every single podcast app in general. So that's it for Magma. That's it for this tutorial video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.